Hello, first grade. Okay, we are using our data that we collected on Friday, long time ago, when you told me how many pets you have. I had to change it just a little bit because we had 20 dogs. 20 dogs. We would be making this graph forever. So instead of putting 20 dogs on the graph, if you have dogs at your house, it counts as one spot for dogs, okay? One piece of data, you might call it. If you have two cats at your house, you only get one piece of data for this. It just means you have cats. It doesn't matter how many. All right, so let's take a look. I already wrote in all the pets that we had. We had 6 different kind of pets in our class. We have somebody with a bird, cats, of course. We see those on Zoom. A pig, a gecko, lots and lots of dogs, and a guinea pig. All right, so I've got all the data here and I can tell you how many people have each kind of pet. All right, so maybe. Let's start with our bird. We have one person that has a bird. Deanetta has a parakeet, I believe. So I'm going to draw in your book, you'll see faces. So I'm going to draw that, pretend it's Deanetta. All right. So for cats, 5 people in our class have cats. And I actually think it might be higher, but I'm wondering if somebody was not on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you were on Zoom and you told Mrs. Wersch or Mrs. Stremke that you have cats at home, one of these people is you. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry, making sure I got my data right there. A pig. We all know Bobo the pig. So Brooklyn's face is right there for Bobo the pig. A gecko. I believe it's Callie has a gecko. So there's the gecko. Okay, 8 people have dogs. And that doesn't even count Mrs. Stremke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That doesn't even count the people that weren't on Zoom that day. All right. And then we have 1 guinea pig. I kind of think, is that Callie's too? All right. So let's take a look. Ooh, which one has the most? Do you see the one with most? The dogs, of course. Yes. Now, let's compare the guinea pig and the dog. How many more people, ooh, this is in your warm-up, so pay attention. How many more people have dogs than a guinea pig? Well, these two are the same. So we're going to cover up this guy. We can't count him as having more because they both have 1. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more people. Oh my goodness, there are 7 left over that have dogs. All right, how about if we do that with dogs and cats, because those two are a little closer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people have cats. That means I'm going to cover up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs. So how many more people have dogs? 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's in your warm-up today. Make sure you know how to do that. We made, this is called a pictograph because it uses the little pictures. You don't have to remember that. Down here we have a number chart. So we're going to take our data from here and we're going to put it in a different kind of chart. A lot of times, like for me, if I have to report data on like how you do on tests and stuff, I have to put it in a chart that looks like this. So I am going to get out a different color marker so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to count, I put them in just right in order, birds. We have 1 person that has a bird. So on my number chart, I'm just going to write a 1, not a tally, just the number 1. Cats, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write a 5 for cats. 1 pig. 1 gecko. Put one down here. Oh, here's the big one. Dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dogs. We'll put 8 dogs there. And then 1 guinea pig. All right, so today you get to look at a weather graph, and it's a pretend class that did this weather graph, and you have to talk about what has more, and you have to talk about, I think you have to put it from a picture graph into a number chart. So all those should match. Got it? All right, and tomorrow I have some more data that we've collected. I know you guys are just full of data, aren't you? And we'll take a look at that. We're going to use our author to see who our famous authors that we're going to study are. And we're going to use that for our graph tomorrow. All right, first grade, let me see your work.